Sunsmed Protective Products Ltd was established in 2010, located in Xiantao City, Hubei Province, China, occupying over 20,000 square meters with 1 office building, 5 cleaning workshops, 1 lab, 2 medical warehouses, and 1 accommodation building. Sunsmed has more than 200 employees to manufacture and develop a variety of disposable articles for medical, industrial, beauty, and catering field. After researching, developing, and upgrading continuously, Sunsmed has formed an integrated development structure of production, supply, and sales. Sunsmed created self-owned brands, Soft and Soft. Sunsmed mainly produces coverall, surgical pack, surgical drape, surgical face mask, surgical gown, isolation gown, disposable bed sheet, show covers, medical caps, disposable washing towels, and travel hygienic products. Quality comes first for a company. Therefore, Sunsmed obtained ISO 13485, FDA, CE certificates, and various authorized test reports. And from year 2015, Sunsmed started domestic market and got GMP certificate. Technological innovation for products research and development, upgrading and testing is the pillar to keep the company moving forward and expanding constantly. Through analyzing and inspecting the raw material composition of polypropylene and polyethylene, combining with the proportion and the ratio of adding linear materials and degraded raw materials in order to meet the demands of the market and customers. After accomplishment of finished products production, we regarded the final test data as an ending. During the innovation of products researching and development, the company has continuously developed a number of new series of brands and products. Sunsmed has been winning the trust and reliability of customers and the market constantly with their good products quality and excellent sales service. We export our products to Europe, North America, South America, Southeast Asia, Middle East and Africa, with our own brand or OEM brand both for more than 20 countries. The brand Sunsmed is well known abroad. Sunsmed is confident in being the most reliable supplier that you can trust in China. We look forward to establishing a good long-term business relationship with you by supplying our high-quality products with competitive prices and valued service.